Example 2, 1 plus 1 over x over 7. What's the main fraction bar?
We don't know.
Underneath the x, above the 7? That's right here.
We don't have that.
You don't have this problem?
No.
Nope.
What do you have?
1 over x
is
big
over
bar.
1 minus 1 over x.
That's what you have?
Yep.
Alright. I don't mind changing. Alright, so 1 over x over 1 minus 1 over x. So, what's the main fraction bar?
X. Or the middle one.
The one underneath the x above the 1s, right? So right here, this one here is the main fraction bar. Again, the one that's longer than the other ones is the main fraction bar. Okay?
That practice too.
Is this what?
That was practice too.
This is practice 2 or?
No, the one before.
That's practice 2.
Yeah.
Oh, well, it's a good thing you guys stopped me so I didn't do it for you. You get an opportunity to do that on your own. That's good. Good job, guys. All right, anyway. The numerator is 1 over x. 1 over x is a fraction. 1 is not a fraction. 1 over x is a fraction. Again, identify each and every term, though. Identify them all. Put them all in parentheses. The ones that are fractions matter. The ones that aren't don't matter. So this is just the number 1. Ignore that right now. We're trying to find the least common denominator of fractions that have been identified, which in this case is just x, right?
X.
So I'm going to do times x on top, times x on that term, times x on this term. Each term gets multiplied by x. Each term separated by pluses and minuses, and top and bottom of the fraction. So a single term on top, one multiplication by x, multiple terms on bottom, times x times x. So I put my main fraction bar down. Again, every one of these is a numerator being multiplied by a denominator thing. Those cancel, leaving 1. There's no fractions here, so no cancellation happens. 1 times x is just x. And then this numerator, that denominator cancel, leaving me with minus 1. And once you get a simple fraction, non-fractions over non-fractions, you have the final answer. That's what we're looking for.
Could you put 1x minus 1?
If you put 1x there, it would not be wrong. It's unnecessary, but if you want to put 1x, it's all right. A coefficient of 1 is always understood, so if you don't write the 1, it's understood. If you do write the 1, it's fine and it's there. So take your pick. I personally don't tend to write it because that's less characters to write, less chance of getting writer's cramp. Because I'm showing all my work all the time. I don't want to get writer's cramp by putting an extra 1 on there that I don't have.